Okay, friends, I am so excited about this. I'm making a quick little recording, not sure how it will turn out, but I'm going to find my Canva app. Right here's my Canva. I'm opening up my Canva, and I'm over the moon excited and want to share this with you. So if you see where it says doc, D-O-C, it's on the left side of the screen. I want you to open that and click on it. Now, I'm using my phone, of course, to do this from. Where it says create blank, click on it, create blank, open that up, and then here's where the magic happens. So for those of you that struggle with not sure what to say about something, this does it for you, and you can use it for almost anything. There's a little magnifying glass on the bottom of the screen next to the little purple plus sign. I want you to click on it. Now this is from a phone device. I'm using an Apple. I don't know what Android, how it'll be on it. Click on Magic Write, MAGICWRIT. Click on that, and then right here where it says write 5 tips on how to overcome writer's block, you're going to type there, okay, anything you want. Okay, for example, write 5 tips. You can do anything you want. I'm just doing this. 5 tips on benefits, benefits of, I can't obviously talk and spell at the same time, a bronzer. Done. Okay, now let's see what it does for us. Here's where the magic happens. It does it for us. There you go. Did y'all just see how quick that was? Okay, and then what you can do is you can come up here on the screen and you could take off. Hold on, I got to figure it. Y'all, I'm just learning it. So y'all can take and edit and remove where it says write 5 tips of benefits of bronzer and take that off of there. But y'all see what it does? It says, number 1, bronzer can enhance your features and create a more sculpted look. Use it along the hair, the blah, 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 blah. Number 2, bronzer can give you a healthy and natural looking tan. Number 3, I'm not going to read them all, but y'all see the points that I'm trying to say. Here's the other thing that's so cool about this. Y'all can edit this. What y'all would do is save this into your Canva app or on your phone, photos, re-upload it, and then you can change the background. Y'all can put background pictures on it. You can put yourself on it, pictures of you. Y'all can put it in videos. Y'all can make it as creative as y'all want. But I just wanted to share this because I'm in love with it. Yes, you can use it on your computer. Yes, you can use it on your devices to include tablets, phones, all the things. I am in love with this. I don't know if it works on a free version. It does work on the paid. I believe I read that it works on the free version, but it's very limited. However, what I want y'all to know is you can use this in, of course, your Mary Kay business, and you can use it if you got kids in school, college, like whatever it is, reports, work, whatever it is. I love this, and I think it'll help us save time and be a little bit more creative. So I hope this helps someone and blesses someone.